I'll be doing a review on the Sena Bluetooth headset for motorcycles. I got this off of Amazon and I've been using it quite a bit frequently. The Bluetooth hooks a cell phone, and so it'll display or it'll project anything that you have going on your cell phone. So it does help with the GPS or with radio, any music that you're playing. The nice thing about the particular set that I got is that it does have the intercom, and it did come with 2 headsets, so I actually shared this one with my wife whenever we go out on rides. That way we can talk. The downfall to that is you cannot listen to the radio and talk at both the same time. You have to switch in between the actual intercom and the radio if that's what you're doing. Altogether, this set works very well. I enjoy it very much. It does not say anything about it being actually waterproof on any of the specifications on it. However, I've looked up multiple reviews and a lot of people have said that they had taken it out into the rain and they didn't have any problems with it. My main concern on this was when I was riding the other day, there started to be some heavy rain right before I was leaving, so I looked up the reviews for it. I decided to give it a try, being that everybody else had positive reviews on it in the rain. It was heavy rain for the entire ride home, about half an hour's worth. And there was absolutely nothing wrong with this unit during that time. It actually performed very well. It was not sketchy at all. It was wonderful. You'll see that there are some different areas where wires can plug in, but they're covered with rubber stoppers. So it is very actually water resistant and it works very well. So what you'll see here is there's a safety clamp right here, and if you pull that up you can disconnect the cord. I already have it hooked up to my helmet, of course, and so the actual piece can be removed. Whenever I stop at places, I will remove my Bluetooth and then I'll just take it with me because I don't want somebody taking my headset, because I usually leave my helmet on my bike. So there's only a couple things that you have to actually move here, and that is the spin dial, the red button, and then pushing down this main button. So in order to turn it on, all you have to do is push down the spin dial and the red button at the same time, and then it'll blink on for you. After it's on, then you can just connect it to your cell phone or anything else, and the length of the light as they come on tells you what your battery status is on it. So that's something cool, additional feature. When you spin it, that controls your volume. If you push it down, then that'll go into your intercom mode. And then if you press and hold the red button, that is how you pair it with other devices. Now, coming straight out of the factory, with this being a 2-unit console that I had bought, the 2 units were already paired, so I did not have to do that. It was a very nice feature, but if you're gonna do it, that's just how you have to do it. Is you just press and hold the red button and then it'll look for devices to pair with. So that is very simple, very easy as far as that goes. All it is the 3 buttons for easy operation, and that's that portion. Now, in order to actually mount the item, it does have the mount that it comes with already in the package, plus the wiring. Now, everything that it includes is it actually has a microphone, which is kind of hard to see because it's black in there, but it does have a microphone with it, and then 2 speakers that go on either side. Now, a lot of helmets already have holes cut out that you can slide your speakers down into. So for the wiring, what I did is I put the main base on here first, and all it is a piece of metal that clamps down, as you will. So you just loosen it and tighten it with the 2 screws right here, and it comes with the component that you need to do that. And so you'll loosen that in order for you to slide it down past your weather resistant portion and onto your actual helmet, the outer portion of your helmet, and then you'll clamp it down for that. Now, after I knew where it was going to be sitting, that's where I started to run my wiring. So I have the wiring here, and I just put it where I needed to reach the unit. And after I knew where that was, then I started running all of my wiring into the padding and into the protective weather strip. And so if you'll see on here, I don't have any wires exposed. It all goes right under this portion, the weather stripping here. and so all of my wiring is hidden. So I do have the full microphone that's in here, and there is an option of a smaller boom microphone, but this is the one that does come with it and works very well for me, and I've had no problems with that microphone at this time. And then the 2 speakers, which actually work very well, and the volume is very good with it. So I enjoy this unit very much. It's been working wonderfully for both me and my wife, and I would highly recommend this unit to anybody else. And again, just to put the unit back on, or to turn it off as well, it's going to be the exact same way as you turn on the unit, which is just press down on the dial and then on the red button at the same time, and it'll shut off. And then to slide it back on or mount it to the unit, you just slide it back on and then plug in your wiring to the unit. So that's as simple as it is. It's a very easy system and comparable in price to many other units. It has most of the exact same features as most other units, and it's about half the price is what they are, and it came with the 2 units for me. So I would highly recommend this. Some of the other units do have additional features like antennas and FM radio that's available on the regular unit, but you're going to be paying a lot more money for those. Some of them will also have a mile range for your intercom system. This one isn't near that far, but it's just me and my wife right next together, so we don't need that range of a full mile on our intercom. So this takes care of all of our needs. I hope this review was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll try and answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.